Welcome back to my YouTube channel Grandpa Mathematics. Today we are going to see how to solve the integrals of these types. These two cases we have to bring to the formula form what we had derived yesterday, and in these two cases we have to take px plus q, the numerator px plus q, let this is equal to a times differentiation of denominator plus b. These two cases we have to take, that is numerator is equal to a times differentiation of denominator plus b. So once you write like this and equate the coefficient of x and constant term, get the value of a and b, then this will reduce us to the formula form. That's what we are going to see today. The numerator we have 3x square, and the denominator we have x power 6 plus 1. So we have to take something as y, so that 3x square, this x square dx becomes part of dy. Then what you should take as y here? If we take x cube as y, and if we differentiate x cube, 3x square will come. So that means we have to take x cube as y. This gives 3x square dx becomes dy. Therefore 1 becomes integral 3x square dx. 3x square dx, that becomes dy, and x cube is y, so x power 6, how we can write? Y square plus 1. 1 we can write as 1 square. So x cube, x power 6 can be written as x cube square. So if we take x cube is y, x power 6 becomes y square. So this is in the formula form. What is the formula here? Integral dx by x square plus a square, this form. What is the value for this? This will be nothing but 1 by a into tan inverse x by a plus constant. So we can write here a is 1. So 1 by 1 is 1 only. So we will get only tan inverse y by 1, y only, plus constant. But what is y? Y is nothing but x cube. So this is nothing but tan inverse x cube plus constant. So this is answer. You have to solve this integration problem. Integral dx by square root of 1 plus 4x square. We will write 4x square as 2x whole square. So we can write integral dx by square root of 2x whole square plus 1 square. We call this as 1. But integral dx by square root of x square plus a square, for that only formula is there, but multiple of x, we cannot use that formula. So we have to take 2x as y. So let 2x is equal to y. If we take 2x is y, if we differentiate, what comes? 2 dx is equal to dy. Therefore 1 becomes equal to integral dx. What is dx? Dy by 2. So it will be dy by 2 square root of 2x we are taken as y. So it will be y square plus 1. So What is the formula? Integral dx by square root of x square plus a square. Integral dx by square root of x square plus a square. So we have seen this equal to log of x plus, whenever dx by square root of x square plus a square comes, is nothing but log of x plus whatever comes here, square root of x square plus a square. Plus constant. So when we write here what comes, this 2 will take outside 1 by 2 times log of y plus square root of y square plus 1 plus constant. But the problem is given in terms of x, so we have to replace y in terms of x. 1 by 2 log of y is 2x plus square root of 4x square plus 1 plus constant. So this is the answer. So we can also do this problem by taking 4 outside the square root. Let us see how to do that. Dx by this 4 we can take outside the square root, that will become 2. So 2 times square root of x square. If we take 4 outside from this term, it will become 1 by 4. So that is nothing but 1 by 2 whole square. So when you take 4 outside, that will become 2. Here when you take 4 outside, it will become 1 by 4. That is 1 by 2 whole square. Or otherwise you check, when you take inside, it will become 4x square. When you take this inside 4 into 1 by 4 is 1. We are getting this. Now this is in the form of integral dx by square root of x square plus a square. So what is the formula? This is nothing but log of x plus 1 by 2 times the dx by square root of x square plus a square is log of x plus whatever comes inside this one. So square root of x square plus 1 by 2 whole square plus constant. Now you can write, you can simplify this as 1 by 2 times log x plus this becomes 1 by 4. 1 by 4. So you can simplify this as 1 by 4. So 4x square plus 1 by 4 plus constant. When we take this 4 outside, it becomes 1 by 2 square root of 4x square plus 1 plus constant. This one half times log of x plus half times square root of 4x square plus 1 into 2 divided by 2 plus constant. Log of this into 2 divided by 2 plus constant. So the same thing written multiply divided by 2. So it's nothing but 1 by 2 times log of, when you multiply this by 2, we'll get 2x plus square root of 4x square plus 1 by 2 plus constant. So this log m by n form. So log m minus log n. Actually we can leave here. This is the answer we can leave like this also. But to bring back the answer what we got earlier, I'm just doing these steps. So this we can write as 1 by 2 times log of 2x plus square root of 4x square plus 1 minus half times log 2 plus c. So this we can replace as some other constant. So in this case we have to find the value of dx by square root of 2 minus x whole square plus 1. 2 minus x whole square is so let us take 2 minus x is y. Let 2 minus x is equal to y. So this gives, if we differentiate, minus dx is dy. Therefore 1 becomes equal to integral dx is nothing but minus dy by square root of 2 minus x is y square plus 1. We'll take minus sign outside. Then this will become integral dx by square root of x square plus a square form. So what is integral dx by square root of x square plus a square? So this is nothing but log of x plus square root of x square plus a square plus constant. So this integral dy by square root of y square plus 1. So we will write log of y plus square root of y square plus 1 plus constant. What is y? Y is nothing but 2 minus x. So we can write this as 2 minus x plus square root of 2 minus x whole square plus 1 plus constant. So this is the answer. For that, to bring this to the formula form, integral dx by square root of a square minus x square, I am just taking 25 outside the square root. What will come when we take 25 outside the square root? That will become 1 by 5. Dx by square root of 9 by 25 minus x square. When you take 5 inside, it will become 25. 25 into 9 by 25 is 9 minus, when you take 5 inside 25, 25x square is coming. This we can write as integral, this 1 by 5 will take outside, integral dx by 9 by 25, that we can write as 3 by 5 whole square minus x square. So this is the form of dx by square root of a square minus x square, where a is 3 by 5. So what are the values? Sin inverse x by a plus constant. So this is nothing but 1 by 5 times sin inverse 5x by 3 plus constant. So in this integral, we have 3x in the numerator and 1 plus 2x power 4 in the denominator, and this is not in the formula form. So if we take x square is y, then x dx becomes part of dy. So that means you have to take, let x square is equal to y. So this gives 2x dx becomes a dy. Therefore 1 becomes is equal to integral 3. What is x dx? X dx is dy by 2. So this is dy by 2. Then 1 plus 2 times x square we taken as y. So this will become y square. So x power 4 we can write x square square. So y square. Now we'll take 3 by 2 dy by, to bring this to the formula form, we'll take 2 outside. We take 2 outside, this will become 1 by 2 plus y square. We take 2 outside, here also you have to take. So when you take 2 outside, this will become 1 by 2 plus y square. We have to write this as perfect square. So 3 by 4 times integral dy by y square plus, how to write 1 by 2 as a perfect square? 1 by root 2 square. 1 by root 2 square. So this is in the form of integral dx by x square plus a square form. So what is integral dx by x square plus a square? There's nothing but 1 by a into tan inverse x by a plus constant. 3 by 4. So this is nothing but 1 by a. A is 1 by root 2 here. A is 1 by root 2. So 1 by a, 1 by root 2 tan inverse x, here y by a. A is 1 by root 2 plus constant. This root 2 will go to numerators. So 3 root 2 by 4 tan inverse of root 2y plus constant. But y is nothing but x square. We have taken x square as y. So we have to replace y in terms of x. That means 3 root 2 by 4 tan inverse root 2 x square plus constant from 2. So in this problem, x square is in the numerator, 1 minus x power 6 is there in the denominator. If we take x cube as y, then x square dx becomes part of dy. Therefore, let x cube is y, and if we differentiate this, 3x square dx becomes a dy. Therefore 1 becomes is equal to integral x square dx. X square dx is dy by 3. So dy by 3, then 1 minus x cube is y, x power 6 is y square. So x power 6 can be written as x cube whole square is equal to y square. So what form is this? This is nothing but integral dx by a square minus x square form. What is integral dx by a square minus x square? integral dx by a square minus x square. So this, when square root is not there here, in this case we'll get 1 by 2a log of a plus x by a minus x plus constant. So this is the formula. This is the formula. Here the value of a is 1. Value of a is 1. So we can write 1 by 2 into 1 log of a is 1. 1 plus y by 1 minus y plus constant. But what is y? Y is nothing but x cube. So we can write this as 1 by 6 times log of x cube plus 1 by x cube minus 1 plus constant. So this is the answer. Let numerator x minus 1, this is equal to a times differentiation of x square minus 1 plus b. So a times we differentiate, what we are getting? 2x plus b. By equating the coefficient of x and the constant term, we get, if we equate the coefficient of x, 2a is equal to 1 into x is x. So 2a is equal to 1. So this implies a is equal to half and b constant term, that is equal to minus 1. B is equal to minus 1. X minus 1 is equal to a times, a is half times 2x plus b is minus 1. So the numerator x minus 1 can be written as half times 2x plus minus 1. Therefore 1 becomes integral half times 2x plus of minus 1 by square root of x square minus 1 dx. Now we can write this integral as a sum of two integrals. So that is half times integral 2x by square root of x square minus 1 dx minus 1 times dx by square root of x square minus 1. So this is in the form of integral dx by square root of x square minus a square. This come to formula form. Whereas integral 2x by square root of x square minus 1 is not in the formula form. Here, if we differentiate x square minus 1, we are getting 2x. So we will take half times square root of y. Square root of y is y power half. And if we differentiate, if we take this is y, 2x dx becomes dy. So this becomes dy minus this is integral dx by square root of x square minus a square. Well, it will be log of x plus whatever comes here, x square minus 1 plus c suffix 1. Where y is equal to x square minus 1. So when you take this to the numerator, integral y power minus half dy minus log of, this is in the form of integral x power n dx. So what is integral x power n dx? It's nothing but x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So this is nothing but half times y power half plus 1, that is half by n plus 1 half minus log of, now this will go to numerator, so get cancels, and y is nothing but x square minus 1. So x square minus 1 power half is root minus log of x plus square root of x square minus 1 plus constant. So this is the answer.